Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Cali Garden family. I wanted to show y'all something very quickly. It has been a hot one. We are in the second week of a heat wave here in the Central Valley and the northern area. Matter of fact, probably even in Southern California even had it. But I know right now, in the here where I am right now, y'all, it is hot. Yesterday, I think it was a record. I believe when pulling off from work, my car said 117 degrees, and I wasn't even near my job within 4 minutes. And the temperature didn't drop to 108 until I got near my home. So yeah, it's been a hot one. August is really a month of extreme heat. Here in the Central Valley, Zone 9B, where I am, and right now we just was informed last week, matter of fact, probably that we had a wildfire alert, and as right now as I speak, there is ash coming down like snowflakes, y'all, like legit from these wildfires. So keep us in prayer, guys. It's close to home, basically. I'm just all I'm gonna say. We need your prayers because this is a lot of people already have been evacuated. Um, Hopefully, this fire, as I do this video, is contained. But I just want to show you something. When you don't use a shade cloth, what happens to your fruit trees and whatnot, and things that happen into the garden. Let me just turn this around right quick, y'all. Watch this. So, y'all know I love to experiment. I just watered. One thing about containers, I can tell you right now, is that it's pros and cons to having it. Especially when you have them on cement. Uh, the cement will draw heat. And that heat will those containers will basically get hot. Okay, especially when they're black. There's nothing wrong with black containers. What you can do is paint them white if you wanted to. Paint them a different color, like a light color, or put like burlap around it. But for me, my preference is keeping them black because what happens is in the wintertime, that heat from the cement rises up onto the containers, and the sun also draws heat to the container itself and keep your whatever you're growing in those containers warm. Not only does the frost blanket that helps, but also the sun and cement also helps. But for the summer months, like right now, it's good to have them on a milk crate or a prop like this container here, or a pallet, or I'm gonna show you in a minute another way you can do this with 4x4s, or you can use this little thing right here I have right there that's on the wall. But the fig trees did okay. I'm shocked that our this misty blueberry here, the leaves didn't crisp up because it's been in part shade. But let me show y'all something. Even our sunshine blueberry, I'm gonna show you in a second, it did very well. I'm sorry I was talking loud. The AC central air was on. But this is the ash I was telling you guys about right now that's falling down. Look like snow a little bit, like flurries. Uh, it's in certain areas it look like a dust of snowflakes on the streets in certain cities. So it's kind of crazy that this is happening. But this is the Cadota fig tree, y'all. As I'm walk past, I just want to show y'all that how much fruit we have on there. But as I come down, this didn't get touched by the triple digits at all, so it looked pretty good. We just watered everything back here. But check this out. This is what happens when you don't use a shade cloth. The leaves start to crisp up. We watered, and you'll think we had watered the foliage spray. This we did not. It just didn't do good with the heat this year. Unfortunately, I would be, if it was in the ground, or if it was fruiting with some fruit on it, I would be very concerned. Like early on, like in the month of May, or even before that. But because we're almost in autumn and the leaves are going to actually fall, so I might just remove all the leaves and let it go dormant a little bit earlier than usual. Only thing that might happen is that it might want to wake up a little bit earlier. So I'm really debating on it. But this is what happens when you don't use a shade cloth on your fruit trees. But everything else is okay. We just water again, guys. Here's some more ash on the fruits and vegetables. This Pepper here is just in stress and shock and couldn't take the heat at all. But same thing with our blue watt. This one did okay. Way better than I was sitting with the plum. Okay, but everything was full with ash. I just watered on top of stuff, so you see a little bit of that ash over here. This is the only thing I covered, y'all, and I'm gonna tell you why. The only reason why I covered this, because this is my first year actually having a successful bounty of watermelon that's doing very good. Sugar baby watermelon that's almost ready, and I wanted to make sure that it will be safe. And this is the only shade crop we have right now. We're gonna purchase another one in the coming months, but this was way more important that I wanted to harvest and actually show you guys how I'm gonna harvest it later on in the coming months because it's almost ready. And our Sermarzano did all right. Only thing that happened to the zinnias was basically that the zinnias was in shock, but now they perked up since we watered, and it's evening now. But they're doing pretty well. I am ready to harvest it basically, but I'm not gonna harvest them because actually I'm gonna do something else with them. But it looks very gorgeous. I'm very happy for how everything looks, and we got a tomato that's ready to be harvested. I am allowing my Genovese basil to go to seed, and yeah, so I'm super excited about that. And this is the Opal basil, which I'm thinking about letting go to seed as well. I really want to take a cutting, guys, and actually try to root this. So I might just do that later. But anyway, everything else is going to seed. But besides that, everything else is fine, guys. We're okay. My family, my immediate family, my parents, everyone, in my family, everyone is safe and sound. But please pray for those who are actually in the fire, that lost their homes. Is a lot of acreage that's been burnt down, and I'm not gonna say the city because I don't want to expose anyone because I don't know if anyone lived there or not. But it's been kind of crazy. Please pray for the Northern California with these wildfires. We need your prayers deeply. It's very close to home, y'all. It's legit close to home. As of right now, as I post this video out to you guys, I'm not sure if the fire has been contained. But as of right now, all I'm seeing is ash fall. And every morning since this has been going on, the clouds has been very gloomy. We had a thunderstorm over the weekend, guys, and legit, this never ever happened in August, y'all. We don't get rain until late October to early mid-November, y'all. Legit, this is bananas. And I know last weekend a lot of people had a lot of thunderstorms, but I just want to come on and let you guys know what's been going on. And I talked about the heat wave and tell you guys, give you guys just an update. But we are blessed. I'm excited about the new season we're about to go into, which is autumn. And I just can't wait to post some new videos and new information I have for you guys in the coming weeks and months. So stay tuned. Thank you to every new subscriber who has subscribed to our channel. We love you. And thank you all for wishing my wife a happy birthday, Lady NJ. She just had a birthday. I posted a picture on Instagram. I did not post anything on here, but we want to say happy birthday to you, honey. We love you, and we appreciate you. You're a blessing to all of us. Your smile is contagious, and we pray that you have a blessed birthday and have a long life and favor. We will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you to every new subscribers who has subscribed to our channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, guys, because we're so excited for the new adventures we have coming up. Please hit that bell because you will get notified when we post a new video. Until next time, peace, love, and happy gardening.